Welcome to the Collab Education Channel, your destination for sophisticated content knowledge and innovative teaching practices. As pioneers in the education industry, our goal is to revolutionize and reignite the teaching profession. Our cutting-edge maths and literacy content is specifically designed for foundation phase teachers who are dedicated to reshaping the current education landscape. This animated module has been taken directly from our mobile app and is part of our freemium package. With a new piece of content released every week, you will have access to top quality, user-friendly ideas right at your fingertips. This animation is part of our Grade R Maths content. Join us on this exciting journey of education innovation and excellence.
Time is a tricky concept for little people to comprehend, especially because it is not something tangible, kinesthetic, or hands-on to which they can create relationships in their understanding. For this reason, it needs to be explicitly taught with a strong practical approach. Introduce your children to the tools of time, including analog clocks, digital clocks, calendars, hourglasses, and timers. Use these tools to show them how time works. Include in your discussions the importance of keeping time and how time should be valued. Teaching children the concept of day and night is the first step in helping them to make sense of time and in how to track time. Talking about the sun, the moon, and stars inevitably provides an introduction to science, showing children that maths is not an isolated subject. Talk to your children about how the day is when the sun can be seen from where we are, and how its light and heat can reach us. The night is when the sun cannot be seen, the sky is dark, and the light and heat from the sun cannot be felt. Show the children photographs or pictures of the day and night, as well as activities performed by people and animals that take place at different times of the day. Daytime activities could include waking up, playing sport, walking on the beach, milking a cow, planting seeds, working at school, eating lunch, going to the barber, visiting the clinic, and hanging out the washing. Nighttime activities could include sleeping, wearing pajamas, an owl flying, using a torch, lighting a bonfire, stargazing, lighting a kerosene lamp, switching on car lights, eating supper, and having a braai. Have the children comment on the pictures they see, observing their differences. What do they notice about the light in the pictures? What do they notice about the time of day in the pictures? Encourage them to use the words night, day, light, and dark in their observations. Draw a line onto your board. Use it to divide the pictures into day and night images by placing the pictures into their relevant groups on both sides of the line. Have the children assist you with sorting them into the two groups. Invite the children to talk about activities they engage in during the day and night. How are these activities affected by the amount of light and heat available? Can some of these activities be done both during the day and night? Include the following points in your conversations with the children. A whole day is made up of a day and a night. There are 24 hours in a day. During the day, we go to school and work. At night, we rest. The stars shine all the time, but we cannot see them during the day because the light from the sun is so bright. We're able to see the stars clearly at night because the sky is dark. The daytime is warmer than the night because the sun gives off heat, and we dress differently during the day to how we dress at night. To cement the differences between day and night, have the children use a circle map to document their understanding of day and night, light and dark. The circle map is the first map that young children are introduced to as a means of making their thinking visible. Provide each child a template of a circle map. Into the center bubble, they should write either day or night, depending on their preference. Into the outer bubble, have them draw sketches of activities they engage in during their chosen time of day. Into the outer frame of reference, have them draw or scribble write where they may have received information about this time of day. Their knowledge could have come from home, from you, from television, from books, from magazines, or from their friends. the circle maps should be displayed in the classroom to be referenced throughout the teaching of time. As a class activity, show the children how the light and warmth from the sun is felt every day. Onto a large sheet of black construction paper, place an array of small objects. Shells, acorns, blocks, a coin or a piece of Play-Doh, any item will do as long as it doesn't roll. Place the paper and its contents into a sunny area of the classroom, such as a windowsill. After a week, remove the objects and look at the changes made to the paper from the light and warmth of the sun.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this animated module informative and engaging. Mark your calendars for our next release, airing next week Wednesday at 8 a.m. Central Africa Time. To stay up to date with our latest releases, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and follow us on all of our social media platforms, including Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing our next module with you. Join the Collab tribe today.